I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Phil Schraeder. He is the CEO at GumGum. Phil, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Oh my gosh, thank you. It's so wonderful to be here. Looking forward to it.
So before we get started, quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Phil, what's GumGum? Tell me about your company.
Sure, people ask that all the time, obviously with the name. We are a technology company that is really on a mission to erase the use of personal data in digital advertising. So we've been around for 15 years, we're in about 20 countries, and we reach about 1.1 billion users a month. And so our goal is, as we continue to advance in all of these new digital environments, how do we use the environment, the technology of understanding what's happening when I'm in that moment, reading a web page or in a video, to help make advertising amazing for me versus ID-based or things that are about me. More privacy-first technology.
Okay, so contextual advertising.
Yes.
Tell me why that's important.
Yeah, I think that's really the key. When we hear contextual advertising, it's really a term to say, what is really happening around me when I'm in that digital environment? And what we do is we have technology that's supervised machine learning technology, AI technology, that uses the signals of the visuals, the images, the text, and the audio, and we use all of that, and our AI tells us then what it's about, so then we can help an advertiser create the best ad experience for you in that moment. Think of it like, you're gonna make a pie recipe, right? And you're reading a recipe. How do we use that to give you tools or things that would make that easier for you versus something that was about what you looked at yesterday? Really make it about the environment.
Okay, so now social responsibility.
Yes.
Talk to me about your approach to social responsibility and how are you helping your clients?
Yes, I think social responsibility is really what the basis of this is. I have two nephews, right? And the Web 3.0 and all these digital environments are coming lightning fast at us. And we really need to focus on being responsible with how we use all of their data. So we really want to protect it. I look at our data like our medical data, and we're protected by HIPAA. The government's coming in to protect our digital data. How are we then, as just a society, creating then future environments that are safe? And we do that by creating advertisement opportunities that keep those free, keep those exciting, keep them safe, but then ultimately get back to an amazing creative experience and exchange to the consumer without feeling like in any way it's taking away from me or my personal information that I don't really want to give or share.
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what's next for GumGum and what are you most excited about?
Yeah, well, that's a great question. Well, right now we recently are so excited, we've taken our technology and we've created an API for it. And so now our technology stands on its own. We're making really big partnerships with really great brands, other ad tech companies, to really give them the tools also to help support this movement towards a privacy-first ecosystem. So what you'll see probably from GumGum is lots of great announcements, a lot of big exciting news for us. On how we're really taking this focus on a mindset first approach and really seeing the adoption. So look out for a lot of these great partnerships with companies you definitely know.
All right, well, I'm gonna stay tuned.
Awesome.
Phil, it's been wonderful to talk with you.
So nice. Thank you so much, Judy. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.